So in this video, we will cover linear to sRGB and sRGB to linear, and these nodes are here after desaturation. So if I drag these two here, so what they do, they actually works on the gamma of an image. So slightly linear is a different gamma, and sRGB has different. And I'll show you in preview. Like if I have a texture, let's say I have this texture fire, and this is how it looks. Okay, and if I just take the R, you can see how it looks. And if I connect it to sRGB to linear, it will slightly down this alpha. You can see here from here because it has a different gamma value, and this one will be almost same but slightly increased. Okay, and if I just copy these 3 times, you can see the whole image output. I'll show you. So this is your G and B, and same here. And then we can take append many or RGB value and see how it looks. So is the fire but slightly down from here, curved down. So it basically changing the gamma of this, and I'll show you how it works. And it will increase that little. See? And if you also check it with the gamma, you will find the same output you will find there. So like if you have this material, I'll just save it. And I have here on a planar that I have already. Let's apply it again. Okay, so let me do it again. So it will be easier for you. Actually, I was trying that. So if you have a planar and you have this material, and then I take the post volume, and let's say you have this infinite on, and then here in the color grading in the globals you have this gamma value. So if I decrease this, it's showing me this output sRGB to linear, and if I'm increasing this, this is more like this linear to sRGB. So these are just to tweak the gamma, and you can see there is a just mathematical thing here, and this same thing is available on internet as a formula, you can see. So for sRGB to linear we have these formulas, and for linear to sRGB, and these are putting here. Okay, and also I found here on internet this image, so you can see that sRGB goes straight and then linear goes like this curve. And also there is a definition of this. So basically sRGB has a gamma curve of 2.2 to better display color on the screen based on perception. Linear sRGB is the same color gamut but without the gamma curve applied. Hence linear or one curve. Render operator is linear. So linear basically used in for render. If you're rendering in Maya or Udni or any software, it will show you in the linear. When you open those images in the compositing software, then you will convert that to sRGB or you will work on linear. So these are the effects you find, and also in the image you have this here also sRGB color. So if I am decreasing it, you can see it's showing me this output what we had here, and if I am increasing this, it's decreasing this part, so it's showing me this linear sRGB to linear. So this is just working on the gamma, and also this is the sRGB. You can also turn this off, but there will be error, so now you will use the linear color from here. Okay, so this is the thing. What is this? This is actually the gamma tweak with a mathematical formula. So that's it. I don't have a much use of this where you can use, but this is what it is. You can use it. So thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.